Okay, so the RangeRover SVR 2022 model. This vehicle is currently the UK's most desirable vehicle for the wrong people. So we've installed an additional security system, global telemetrics, Thatcham insurance category S5 approved tracking with immobilisation and driver identification. So driver identification is done via a wireless link with a Bluetooth card. So if somebody steals your key or clones your key, your car won't start unless they've got a card with them. The card needs to be in range of the vehicle before it will start. So the card's turned off at the moment, so let's assume the car can't see the card. So we'll attempt to start by foot on the brake, push the button again, nothing. There you go. So no start because you can't see the card. Okay, so what we simply need to do to turn the card on is press the button on there. See the blue light flashes? That means that card is now turned on and transmitting. So you can leave the cards turned on. They do come with a handy little charger that clips over those two little brass contacts there to charge the card up via a USB connection. But that card's now turned on, so the system can see the card. So it's valid start attempt by an authorised driver. So we'll attempt again. We'll put foot on the brake, press the button. There we go. Engine starts and runs as it should do. And the system simply arms about 60 seconds after the vehicle's ignition is switched off, so you're not going to remember to arm it. It will always arm itself, so the car will always have the additional immobilisation, protecting the vehicle when it's left anywhere. And assuming the driver's got his card, you can start the vehicle normally. If you don't wish to carry a card around with you, you can also pair with your smartphone using the free Global Telemetrics app, which is a link to that is sent to you on completion of an installation. If you need an installation sorted out, give us a call. Autosparx, we're happy to help. Our contact number is as follows: 0330 010 0506. That's Global Telemetrics Thatcham category S5 insurance approved vehicle tracking, monitoring and immobilisation with driver ID.